we will learn about model, view, and controller. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is, so at first we will understand about what is view. Okay, so for example, this is Facebook. Okay, in the Facebook you can see a page where we can write our email and where we can write type our passwords. Okay, so we will not complicate the things that much. View is a place or an interface where we write our stuffs. Okay, so now after we press on login, okay, after we press on login, then this information will be sent to our place called controller. Okay, the request will be or the information will be sent to controller. Okay, so controller helps, or controller is simply like a father. Okay, it simply helps to show the direction. Okay, direction, you should understand that. It simply shows the direction. Okay, or it is like a security. Okay, you are able to enter here or not, the place is that only. Okay, so now as the information is accessed by controller, it will send that information. It will, what will controller do? Controller will send, or it will direct the information. Okay, provide the direction, simply knows that. Okay, and now I want to say you something. If this information is correct, okay, and if I am pressing login, then the Facebook page will open. Okay, but where is the proof that this information is correct? There must be some places in the database, okay, where the information has been stored, such that we could say that this information is correct. Okay, so what is that place? That place is model. Okay, so model is a place, or model is simply a place. Okay, or model is simply an, in architecture, model simply means a place which helps in verification. Okay, so now the information which we have received or directed, it will check whether this email or whether this password is correct or not. The model will check that. Okay, and if it is correct, okay, then after checking, it will send that to the controller. Okay, and in the controller, uh, if the information is correct, if correct, then what will the security do? Security will say, okay, you are allowed it to go to your page. Okay, but if it is incorrect, then it will say that you naughty person, you are not allowed it to go to your page. You will again go back to this page. Okay, you will again go back to this page, or you will again be redirected to this page. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is, view is a place where you will write stuff, controller is a place where which shows the direction, and model is a place where the verification actually happens. Okay, from this simple example, I have tried to make you understood this. If